Head of family-based address update request process. Resident need to visit My Aadhaar portal and click on Login. To log in to the portal, resident needs to authenticate themselves by entering their Aadhaar, CAPTCHA and OTP. Once Aadhaar, CAPTCHA and OTP gets validated, resident is sent to the dashboard page. Resident need to choose Aadhaar update seeking to update the address online. On the address update page, click on the option Head of Family Based Address Update. After you have read the workflow steps, click Next button. Applicant current address is displayed. Scroll down, you will find HOF section. HOF details section. The resident will be allowed to enter the Aadhaar number of the HOF, which will only be validated. Resident needs to select the head of family relationship with the applicant, father, mother, etc. Applicant need to select and upload the proof of relationship document like ration card, mark sheet, marriage certificate, passport, etc. mentioning the name of both the applicant and HOF and the relationship between two of them. In case even proof of relationship document is not available, you may find a list of supporting documents on UIDAI's website, where you can find a self-declaration form in the UIDAI prescribed format. Fill the form and get it signed by head of family. You need to fill applicant relationship with HOF, son, daughter or wife, etc. Scan this signed document and save it on your mobile or computer or laptop for uploading. Click OK. Now click on View Details and Upload Document. Click on Continue to upload. After document get uploaded, click on Next. Click on Tick mark and select the payment option for making payment. Click on Make payment to process the payment online. Complete the payment process. After payment processing is successful, the applicant may download acknowledgement slip. On successful payment, a service request number will be shared with the resident. Please inform your head of family to take action on the address update request. SMS is sent to head of family about address request. The head of family to approve the request and give their consent by logging into the My Aadhaar portal within 30 days from the date of receiving the notification, and the request will be processed. Head of family need to visit My Aadhaar portal and click Login. To log into portal, head of family need to authenticate oneself by entering his Aadhaar, CAPTCHA and OTP. Once logged on the dashboard, scroll and choose the option My Head of Family Request. Enter the SRN number received on SMS or provided by the resident. On SRN, name of applicant and last four of his Aadhaar are displayed. Head of family may decline or accept the address update request of the applicant. If the head of family rejects to share their address or does not accept or decline within the stipulated 30 days of SRN creation, the request would be closed. Head of family to confirm the accept the request of applicant as head of family for sharing address. Head of family has now confirmed the sharing of their address, and the process is now completed successfully. Also, you may download the self-declaration form in the list of supporting document. Scan the QR code shown on screen.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for Aadhaar related latest videos. मेरा आधार मेरी पहचान.